siguro to. However, to play safe, di sumunod ka na rin. Pero, ano, take it with a grain of salt. Wag masyadong literal. Uh, ang pagsunod. Kasi those are just unwritten guidelines, no? Mga nakasanayan na mga ninuno natin sa YouTube. Wala naman talagang basihan, kundi mga situations o mga pangyayari na na-trigger lang ng hindi naman regular event, but probably special events. Oh, you're not sleeping yet? Oh, yeah. Okay. So, you're still at work, Pilat? What time is it in India? Is it 10 o'clock? 10 or 11 o'clock in the evening in India? So, you're not sleeping yet? Yeah. I will visit your channel again, Pilat, see if you have new videos, and then I will play for you. Thank you for the support, Pilat. So okay guys, I think I'm gonna end right now. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa mga nandyan at nagsuporta sa akin, sa pangunguna po ni yung mga nauna dyan, si Your Honor Ginsky, salamat, Team BFF, si Christy Dumasig nandyan, sino pa isa, alam niyo meron isa dyan na nakalimutan ko, si Erlyn Vlog ba siya? Si Erlyn Vlog, no? Nandyan at nagtambay. Mamaya ko na lang puntahan yung bahay mo. Si Nongnong Wiki, thank you so much Nongnong Wiki, and siyempre mga gano'n ko dyan. Kamag-ano ka mga regular tambayas ko, maraming salamat. Pila, thank you so much, and Dan May, thank you so much. Thank you sa pag-play mo ng videos ko, and thank you dyan sa pagtambay mo from beginning till end, maraming salamat. Lucy Warren's World, thank you for coming. Si One Tamad Team, sending his representative. Thank you, One Tamad, and Dream Z talks to me. Thank you so much for coming. Sino ba bang nandyan? Hindi na matandaan. All in one food recipe. Nakalimutan ko siya play ng video. Mamaya na lang. Nakadikit naman yung sa account ko sa kanya. Sino ba ba? Ang hirap ang hirap mag-backward. Anyway guys, so thank you so much, and you guys take care. Enjoy the rest of your evening, wherever you are. Always be conscious. Nag-e-echo. So, as I always saying, be thankful for whatever we have today. Be thankful for every blessing that we receive every day, and be thankful for the people that is around you and will stay with you whatever happens. All right, guys, take care, and God bless you all.